Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today I am doing another video in the same day. You know, when you're in the mood, you just have to just do what you have to do. So I am going to try out this elf blush. As I said, that I love blush when it have a more deeper tone red, and this one is the Putty blush from elf. These are like $8 for them here, $7.99, not dollar less, cent less, $8. So this is how the blush is. I do have the under eye brightener, and I also have the under eye brightener from elf. I also have their bronzer, which I am not happy about the bronzer because it doesn't work properly for me, and I does have the other blush in peach. So I'm trying out this one here and my cheek. So this is how it looks. It's really of a red color. So I already use this brush, so I'm just gonna use a pea-sized amount and this brush, the same brush, and I'm just gonna put it here. And this is how I like my blush to be, and I always like to put my blush up here, you guys. I like to put my blush up here so I can lift my cheekbone with the blush, and you can see how pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is what I'm talking about. This is, love these type of blush. It is so pretty, my god. It is so pretty. Look at it. It is so pretty. So when you put it on a blush, make sure you put the blush up, not down, up, so it can lift your cheekbone. And this is exactly what I am doing. Let it lift my cheekbone, my friend. So you can see how beautiful this is. Wow, this is so pretty. Very, very pretty here. I love this one. This one is so nice, you guys. So let's swatch this here and show you how it does look. This is the deeper red in this blush from the elf Putty blush collection. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Ciao.